In California, at least, we really are using the same gang experts in state and federal court because I do both, and there's a lot of overlap there. And there's sort of two camps in the gang expert industry. There's like the very academic ones who have published, who maybe talks about the sociology of the structure of a gang, and then we have the gang interventionists who are like in the streets, they might be former gang members, and they kind of have a more practical approach. And I think they both, have their merits, and you need to decide what kind of gang expert might be better. But they're going to be the ones who, if you do have an argument that this is not a criminal enterprise or your client wasn't part of the criminal enterprise, they're going to help you attack the actual gang, okay? Because they're the ones who are going to know about the history of gang warfare, of internal warfare, of leadership changes, of people vying, to get up in the hierarchy. Especially the gang interventionists are going to know that history. So they may be able to lay the foundation for a motion to sever. I know, government likes to say all of the time the only way a client gets out of a gang is if they're jumped out. That's total bullshit. It's so rare to see a client that is officially jumped out. But it is possible that your gang expert can give you a little more context into whatever gang you're dealing with and tell you ways in which maybe your client really did get out. Again, they're the ones that would help you lay the foundation to maybe attack the criminal enterprise, say it doesn't exist, and move to dismiss based on that. And actually, a huge benefit to using a gang expert is for impeachment. The government inevitably is going to tell you these gangs are very organized, they're very together, and they're going to have their agents who are gang experts go through how structured and organized they are, which in truth is not how a lot of these gangs work, some obviously more so than others. They're going to be able to give you the inner workings so you can ask the right questions in cross-examination, or maybe lay a foundation for more successful plea negotiations.